Hello dear students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 3rd Computer Science video lectures of chapter 4 Operating a Computer. Students, you have to open your book at page number 37. In the previous video of this chapter, we have learned how to start a computer, operating system, the desktop and how to customizing a task bar. Now, in this video, we are going to cover up these topics. First, selecting and deselecting icons, arranging icons on the desktop, changing the wallpaper and steps to shut down a computer. So students, now you have to open your computer book at page number 4040. Okay, now we will start with our first topic, which is selecting and deselecting icons. Okay, now we will see how to select and deselect the icons on the desktop screen. First, to select the icon on the desktop, we simply click once on the icon. Students, here you can see this is your desktop screen, okay, and here we have some icons. To select any icon, we have to click on that icon, okay, we have to single click on that icon. Next, to deselect the icon, take the pointer away from the selected icon and click on the blank area of the desktop screen. Okay, if you want to deselect your icon, now you have to click using the mouse on the blank desktop screen. Now, on the desktop, you can also select the multiple icons in the following two manners. Now, we will see the two manners in which we can select the multiple icons on the desktop. First is selecting adjacent icons. Okay, students, so now we will see how to select adjacent icon on the desktop screen. Follow the given steps to select adjacent icons on the desktop. Now, the first step is click the first icon. Students, here you can see we have three icons on the desktop screen. Okay, so first we have to click on this first icon. Then in the step 2, press and hold down the shift key. Students, now you have to press the shift key from the keyboard. In the step 3, now click the last icon. The icons will be selected in the sequence. Students, first we have to click on this icon, then we have to press the shift key from the keyboard. Okay, then we have to click on this last icon on the desktop screen. Then you can see, student, all the three icons has been selected on the desktop screen. Okay, so this is the way to select the adjacent icons on the desktop screen. Now we will move to next topic, which is deselecting non-adjacent icons. Okay, follow the given steps to select non-adjacent icons on the desktop. Now we will see how to deselect the non-adjacent icon on the desktop screen. The first step, click the first icon. Here, this is your desktop screen. Here we have to select the first icon on the screen using the mouse. Next, step 2, press and hold down the control key. Now student, to deselect the icon, you have to press the control key from the keyboard. Next, in the step 3, now click on each of the icons to be selected. Now student, in the step 3, we have to select the icon using the mouse. Okay, आपको icons को select करना है using the mouse, but student, we have to remember one thing, control की press करते हुए आपको icons पर click करना है. Okay, then you can select the multiple non-adjacent icon on the desktop screen. The icons will be selected in the sequence. Students, अगर आपको सारे icons को select नहीं करना है, then we can use this method, non-adjacent icon. Okay, now we will move to our next topic, arranging icons on the desktop. Now we will see how to arrange various icons on the desktop screen. Sometimes we need to arrange the icons on the desktop. Students, if we have lots of icons on our desktop screen, then we have to rearrange them. Okay, आपको उसे arrange करना होता है so that आपका जो desktop screen है वो एक systematic manner में आपको दिख सके. Okay, follow the given steps to make the desktop. Step 1, right click on the desktop and select view option by clicking on it. Students, now you have to right click on your blank desktop screen. Okay, when you right click on your screen, then you can see this menu. Okay, in this menu you have to select the view option. In the step 2, the sub menu appears. Here click the auto arrange icons option. Student, this is your view option, and when you click on the view option, here a sub menu appear. In this sub menu you have to click on the auto arrange icons option. Okay, so you can automatically arrange your icons on the desktop screen. The icons will be arranged on the desktop screen. So this is the way to arrange the icons on the desktop screen. Now we will see our next topic, which is changing the wallpaper. Students, you can easily change the appearance of your desktop screen by changing the wallpaper of the desktop. Okay, you can change the looks of the desktop by changing wallpapers. Follow the steps to change the wallpaper. Our first step is right click on the desktop and click the personalize option. Here student, you can see when we right click on the desktop screen, then this menu appear on your screen. Here we have to choose this personalize option. Okay, we have to click on this personalize option in the step 1. Now in the step 2, a window appears. Click the desktop background option. Here student, this is the personalization window, and in this window we have to click on this desktop background option. Okay, now in the step 3, another window appears. Click on any background image as per your choice. Now let's say student, this is the another window that will be open when you click on the desktop background option. Okay, in this window you can see various desktop background available, and here you can choose any background for your desktop. Click the save changes button. The wallpaper will be changed. Here student, I have select this background for my desktop, and then I have to click on this save changes button to change the appearance of the desktop. Okay, so this is the way to change the wallpaper on your desktop screen. Now we will move to our next topic, which is steps to shut down a computer. Students, now we will see how to shut down a computer or how to turn off a computer. To shut down a computer, use the following steps. Our first step is click the start button. Students, here you can see this is a start button which is present on your taskbar on the desktop screen. Then you have to click on the shut down button. Here we have shut down button. So to turn off the computer, you have to click on this shut down button. The desktop fades away and computer turns off automatically. Students, when you click on the shutdown button, तो आपकी desktop screen जो है वो fades हो जाएगी and आपका computer जो है वो turn off हो जाएगा automatic. Now switch off the monitor button. So student, now we have to switch off the monitor button to turn off the monitor. Next, in the step 3, switch off the UPS button. So students, now we have to turn off the UPS button also, and in the last step, switch off the main power button. Here you can see student, this is the main power button. We have to switch off this button to turn off your computer. Okay student, now we will see the practical of these topics one by one. Student, this is your desktop screen. Here you can see some of icons present here on the desktop screen. So first we will see how to select the adjacent icon on the desktop screen. So first we have to click on the first icon on the screen. We have click on it. Now we have to press the shift key and we have to click on last icon. Here I have clicked on the icon number 4, and you can see students, all the adjacent icon has been selected here on your desktop screen. Okay, now we will click on the blank desktop screen to deselect them. Here you can see student, the icons has been deselected from the desktop screen. Now we will see our next topic, which is selecting the non-adjacent icons on the desktop screen. Okay, again you have to click on the first icon on the desktop screen. Now we have to press the control key from the keyboard and we have to click on any icon. Here I have left the icon number 2 and I have clicked on the icon 3. Next I have clicked the icon number 4. So student, this is the way to select the non-adjacent icon on the desktop screen. Okay, using the control key you can select non-adjacent icon on the desktop. Now we will see our next practical, which is how to arrange the icons on the desktop screen. For this we have to right click on the blank desktop screen and here we have to click on the view option, and here we have many options for the icons. Okay, to arrange the icons, first we will click on the large icons And here you can see student, the size of icons has been changed. Okay, again we will reset these icons. So we have to right click on the screen, view option, and here we have to click on the medium icons. Okay, now we will again right click on the desktop screen, and now in the view option, now we will choose the auto arrange icons. Okay, click on it, and here students you can see the icon has been auto arranged on your desktop screen. Okay. Now we will move to our next practical, which is how to change the wallpaper for the desktop screen. Again we have to right click on the desktop screen, and now we have to choose the personalize option. Click on it, then the personalization window will appear on your desktop screen. This is your personalization window, and here we have to choose, or we have to click on the desktop background option. This is your desktop background option. Click on it, and in this window you can see different backgrounds available for your desktop screen. You can choose any background for your desktop. Here we have characters background, landscapes, nature background, and we have different categories for your background. Here we have to select a background for our desktop screen. No, I will select this background for my desktop and click on the save changes button. And here students, we have to close this window. Here you can see the appearance of the desktop screen has been changed by changing the wallpaper of the desktop. Okay, now we will see how to shut down a computer. For this we have to click on the start button. This is your start button. Click on it, and here we have shut down option. Okay, or we can say shut down button. Students, here you can see, here we have message closes all open programs, shuts down windows, and then turn off your computer. So students, when you click on the shutdown button, then your computer automatically turn off. Students, I hope you have understood all the topics that we have seen today and the practical of these topics. In the next video of this chapter, we will discuss about the book work and the copy work of this chapter. Thank you students. Have a nice day.